guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So for today's video, we do have a new and improved hair tutorial. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is from Hairvivi. Now this is their Invisi-Scalp Wig. This wig from them has pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, pre-made Invisi-Scalp, and a pre-sewed new piano keys elastic band, which comes attached to your wig, which I'll be showing you guys later on in the video. So these are the new fake scalp fabric that they do use to customize your units. They come in different colors. So we have Cappuccino, which fits most skin tone. That's the color that I got. We also have Mocha and Honey. So again, they show you the different ranges of color and shades that you can pick for your fake scalp. Also with your packaging, they do give you an edge brush. You get a few clips inside, also a rat tail comb. And last but not least, they give you an extra band that you can attach to your unit. Let's say you do want to wear your wig glueless. This comes in very handy because you can adjust it to however tight or however loose you want your wig to be. And I do prefer these bands because, like I said, if ever you want to wear your wig glueless, you don't want to use any glue or any adhesive. The bands come in really handy because you can just snap them on and your wig will be completely glueless. Now this right here is the wig that I got from them. This is their 360 Yaki texture lace front wig. The 360 method is basically so that you're able to pin your wig up into a ponytail, or you can pin it up without seeing any tracks in the back there. And also your units do come with one band already attached to it, but they also give you a second replacement band if ever you lose this one. And as you guys can see, the knots are bleached. We do have the invisible scalp underneath the wig itself. And the hairline is plucked. Like, oh my gosh, this hairline is so realistic looking, you guys. As you guys can see right now, I do not have a wig cap on. But the good thing about Hairvivi wigs is that you can actually wear the units without a stocking cap, without a ball cap method, without anything. Just put the wig on and you'll see. Look at this hairline. Let's get into this hairline, you guys. Wow, I'm so amazed right now. Do you guys see this hairline? Sis, what did oh my god. This is with the lace on. Like, this shit looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god. So I do want to wear my unit glueless. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this band that they sent in your package, and I'm just going to attach this on the inside. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm going to do. So right there, you just clip it on to the piece right there. So now it's fitting more snug on my head. I can pull it, I can do anything, tug on it, and it's not moving because I did attach the elastic band, which makes it a lot more snug and gives you a tighter fit onto your head. Alright, so before I do anything, I'm just going to go back over the unit with my hot comb, my pretty pink hot comb. Oh my god, this is from Diamond XO Hair, which is a black owned company, so you guys should definitely check them out and get you a beautiful hot comb. And also, you guys, this hot comb heats up so fast, I do not have to wait for it to get heated. Literally, as soon as you put it on, within like 5 seconds, it's heated up. So that's one thing that I really love about it. And yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. I am so amazed at how natural that their hairline looks on this unit. And this is something I can honestly say about all of their units, is that their hairline is always plucked. Like, they really take their time when it comes to customizing the frontals on these 360 lace front wigs, or just their lace front wigs in general. Like, look at this hairline, you guys. I am so amazed. So I did get this unit in an 18-inch, you guys. The wig is extremely soft, very manageable. It does hold a curl really well. And I don't know if you guys noticed this or not, but lately I've been killing this wig. Like, every day I've been throwing on a wig and going about my business. So In all my recent Instagram posts, this have been the wig that I've been wearing, and you guys have all been loving it. I've just been like rocking this wig because it's so easy to try on, and again, I've been wearing it glueless this entire time. The wig is so easy to like just try on and go. Also, the wig does hold the curl really well, and you guys know what's so crazy? I actually like had curled this hair up once, and for 2 days straight after that, the one time that I curled it up, I would wake up and just put the wig on and head outside, like not even combing the hair, just literally putting it on, and it looked so good. Like I even went to dinner without having to touch the hair. All I had to do, you guys, was just throw it on my head and I was out the door. So this is honestly like the perfect wig for an everyday wear, especially if you're like a newbie to wearing wigs and stuff. This is that perfect wig for you because it does not require any work whatsoever. Once you have the bands on the unit, like I said, you can definitely wear it glueless, so you don't need to install it with any adhesive or anything like that. The ear tabs do stay down, which I really love. And yeah, this is honestly the perfect everyday wig for you guys. So I highly suggest this wig to anybody that's looking for an easy everyday wig to just like try on and go. This is definitely that wig. So this is what your wig would look like without any baby hairs or anything done to it except for laying it down. I just passed the iron back over it just to straighten back out the hair because it did get crushed in the box on its way to me. So this is how natural the wig is looking. Mind you, I'm not holding her down with anything right now. No glue, no nothing. Just that elastic band that I attached to the wig earlier. And that is it, you guys. This hairline is everything. Like, so I just had to go finish my baby hairs off camera. And now this is what the wig looks like with the baby hairs. This is what the unit looks like with the baby hairs added to it. It looks a lot better. I mean, you can still definitely wear it glueless without the baby hairs. Completely up to you. The hair is super soft. So again, this is the Yaki Texture 360 lace front slit unit. You guys, the hair, the lace. Let's just talk about the lace. The lace on this unit is amazing, you guys, and again, it melts right into your skin. This is your Invisi-Scalp lace unit. Also, as you guys saw, I did not need to apply a wig cap underneath this unit, and look how it's literally looking like it's coming straight out of my scalp. I didn't have to apply no concealer, no foundation to this unit, you guys. It's just amazing. So if you're looking for a really natural unit that the work is very minimal, you don't have to do anything except cutting that lace, boo, definitely check out Hairvivi. They got you covered. These wigs require little to no work. Again, it comes pre-plucked for you. It comes with the knots bleached. It comes with that whole Invisi-Scalp. And also, like I mentioned earlier, this is a 360 Yaki texture wig, so you definitely can pin it up into a ponytail. You can do pretty much everything that you're able to do with a full lace wig on this one. So it is a 360 lace wig, so you definitely can pin it up into a ponytail and make it look, you know, like it's definitely growing completely out of your scalp. So it does have that lace going all around the perimeter of the wig. That way you can pin it up to whatever to it. And yeah, I love a wig that can last me for years. I've had one Hairvivi wig now that I've had with me for about a year and a half now, you guys, and the wig is still going great. I do sell a lot of my pre-used wigs and pre-owned wigs, but that one for some particular reason I kept, and you guys, that's my throw on and go wig. So, and it's from Hairvivi as well. I do have a discount code for you guys down below where you guys can save some coins on all your purchases from them. And yeah, without further ado, this is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in with me. If you guys did enjoy this video, comment down below, let me know, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.